This is the XIGETRAIL 7-inch backup camera. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user's manual and a whole lot to go over. It's basically to run you through. Cigarette lighter plug in case you want to hook up that way to a barrel jack connector. Here is the camera itself that will be mounted to the vehicle. The cable here that extends to the rear of the vehicle, it's 49 feet long. Here's the screen itself, 7-inch. Remote control for it, if you like. Two pieces here. The stand for it, and this is a sun visor. I'm going to set it up and show that to you. Some fixing screws, thumb wheel screws for the attaching the stand and whatnot, and some wire connection clips like that, splice connections. Over here is the wire coming out of the screen. You'll see there's bare wires and a couple of connectors here. That's because this is actually a 2-channel camera. You can hook this up in one of two ways. You can either hook it up using the cigarette lighter and you turn it on and off as you need, or it can be wired into the vehicle. You would hook up the red and the black to constant power. Green would go to the positive of your reverse light bulb. That's up to you. If you do that, you're going to plug the camera into channel 2 because it favors that, and then you can have it automatically turn on and show the screen the backup view when you shift the vehicle into reverse. So let me get this set up. Alright, just to show you how this went together, it was very simple. Let me just move some of this out of the way. There's two little ears at the bottom of the sun visor. They clip in the bottom and clips at the top. It snaps in, you're done. As far as the stand for it goes, you'll find two holes on the side of the screen. The frontmost one is where it attaches. First of all, notice the contour of this and how that slot is in the back. That's how it mounts. You put the two screws, one on either side, and then this here, and that will allow you to lock the angle that you want because it can be tilted as you see there. Alright, so we'll tilt that back. So that's really all there is as far as setting up the screen. You can of course put screws through that and firmly attach it, or they also give you this here, which is simply double stick tape that can be attached to the bottom of that and then to whatever surface that you are looking to attach it to. So very simple there. Over here we have the camera. There are 6 infrared emitters for night vision mode. I have this hooked up just with a cigarette lighter into a jump pack, which is off over here on the very left side of the screen. Just as a demonstration, of course, we're going to take this out to the car a little bit later. Let me get everything set up. I'll zoom in on the screen and give you an idea of what this can do. This camera is IP69 waterproof. It has night vision on it. There are 6 infrared emitters and a 140-degree wide-angle lens. There are guidelines on the screen, as you see there. The sun visor, which I told you about, remote, in case that helps you. And it does support a second camera, as also stated. And a lot of people are saying, well, you know, running this cable throughout the vehicle, that's so complicated. It's so, I might have to drill holes, I might have to do this and that. Well, guess what? You can do it right, or you can do it wirelessly. So if you wanted a wireless camera instead, it's likely going to cut out just at that moment when you crunch into somebody's bumper. And then you got a much, much bigger problem on your hands. Always have a wired connection. So once turned on, there you go. You get an instant image as such, and you'll notice there are lines there. This will be more apparent out in the real world, of course, but they are adjustable, and I do need to show that to you. We're going to go into the menu here, and I put a little thing up there. Now what I can do, if you watch, is move them. See how they're moving left and right? We can hit it again, and now it's vertical. So you can move that all the way up or all the way back down. You can widen them and make them more narrow all the way if you want until they close in on each other like that, but we'll widen that back out, and that'll help you with backing into parking spots and things like that. And then you have your brightness, contrast, saturation, tint. You can rotate, see, like that, how it flips everything mirror or upside down. The lines you can turn on. Like that. And that's pretty much it. There you go. That's really all there is to it. So now we'll take this out to the car. So now in the car you can get an idea of what this really can do for you. The car is parked next to the curb. And in the upper right corner, the little splotch you see there, that's just the little protective film thing on the screen I didn't take off, so you wouldn't have that there. It's a very, very nice, clear picture. You can certainly see, you can see when other cars are passing by as such. And the lines are very useful for parking, backing into spots, or anything of that nature. I'm not going to be taking the vehicle for a ride today. It's unsafe to film while driving, and I do not have anybody else to help me, nor a way to secure the camera, but this should give you a very good idea of the type of image quality that you're going to get. So once again, this was the XIGETRAIL 7-inch backup camera. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.